guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Madam BBLB. And of course guys, for the past few weeks I was not able to update my video on my channel. It's because I'm quite busy. I have a lot of errands in some government offices, because you know it's renewal of business permits, and of course it's also preparation of a lot of reports, especially on the annual basis, that we're going to present to the board of directors and owners of the company, especially me guys, that I'm handling the financial statement of the company and reports. And of course I'm very busy in preparing such, so I find this very special time to you guys for an update. And again, welcome to my channel, and this is Madam BBLB. Now my topic is all about financial reporting for annual. There are two kinds of reporting actually guys for an annual income tax or annual income of the company. The income statement of the company and the balance sheet, there are two kinds of preparation. We have the internal and the external preparation. The internal preparation guys is intended for our company owners, board of directors, that are going to present to them. So that is the internal books that they must have to, that I or we must have, accountants must have to present to the board of directors and owners of the company. The external income statement guys, or financial reports, are those reports that will be submitted to BIR, and of course it will be done on some company which is single proprietorship company. You will be preparing 1701, and for those who are shall I say corporation, that is 1702 RT, and the deadline for that, for the submission to BIR, is on April, on or before April 20 on every year. So now the deadline will be on April 20, 2021. So I know all the accountants, managers, and accounting head out there are now very busy in preparing their annual financial reports. So guys, what are the financial reports that we must have to present annually to our board of directors? First, it is the duty excuse me, of accounting manager to present the annual income reports or annual financial reports. Like for example, the income statement. Is your company is profitable? This is the profit and loss statement. And of course we have the cash flow in a year, how much is our cash in bank and cash equivalents, so including our petty cash fund and revolving fund. So it will be reported on the annual basis. And of course the balance sheet, by which is it is incorporated on the asset, liabilities, and equity of a certain company. So ganun din guys ang gagawin natin sa BIR. You must have to report the income statement, which is on the profit and loss side, and we have also to report the cash flow, which is the cash and cash equivalents, yung mga cash natin lahat sa isang company, and then the balance sheet, which includes the assets and liabilities and the equity. So yung mga owners equity guys, yung mga capital expenditures nila and everything. So on the asset side, so nandun yung mga furnitures and fixtures, ilalagay natin yung guys, accounts receivables ng company, those are assets. And of course yung mga security deposits if they have, so those are on the side of the assets of the company. So yun sa income statement naman guys, you must have to have your sales. So you have to put your sales, and then the cost of goods sold. So you know the formula of cost of goods sold is the beginning inventory less ending inventory plus the purchases, then that is the cost of goods sold. And then you're going to deduct the administrative expenses, the fixed administrative expenses, the salaries and wages and everything, and then the fixed operational expenses of the company. So nandun lahat yan guys, nakalagay yan doon. So all of that will be submitted to BIR. May mga adjustment tayong gagawin, so tinatawag nila mga adjustment entries. May mga reclassing din tayong gagawin, especially if it is not within the principles of accounting, yung tinatawag nilang principles of accounting entry. So meron tayong mga entries sa accounting na sinusunod natin, because meron tayong mga entry in the internal side na hindi naman siya accepted in the accounting principles. So, yung mga entry kasi sa accounting principles should be, it will be seen in the 1702. Makikita natin doon yung mga accepted entries lang na inaalaw ng ating Bureau of Internal Revenue. Yun yung susundin natin. So, magkaroon tayo ng konting reclassing doon sa mga entries natin on our internal books. So guys, those are the things that you must have to know regarding the preparation of the annual financial reports. Ang sinasabi nilang annual income tax reports na i-reports natin sa BIR. Again, it should be 1702 RT for those who are corporation and 1701 for those who are single proprietorship. And for the internal purposes, guys, you must have be very ready of answering a lot of questions coming from our board of directors, because you know, in the business review, that is really the most crucial time of a certain accounting manager, accounting head, and especially yung mga accounting officer din. They must have to defend kung bakit umabot ng ganun, kung ganun yung mga records nila, o bakit ganun yung office supplies mo, bakit umabot ng ganun yung mga equipments mo, bakit umabot ng ganun yung operational expenses mo like representation expense, utilities mo, lights and waters, and meron pa silang ibang mga expenses like for example, meron silang mga tool and parking fees, mga transportation, gasoline, etc. etc. So you have to defend it to your board of directors, especially to the chairman, na medyo yun ang mabusisi magtanong. So that will be the very crucial time for us accountants to defend our side, our books, and of course our entries on accounting. So to all of you guys, good luck and more power, and God bless. I hope you learned a lot on this video, and this is Madam BBLB would like to say, God is good all the time. I love you guys. Be safe. Thank you.